Hey, good afternoon, friends and family. I hope you all staying safe and staying healthy out there. Welcome back, and I just want to bring you guys for a short update about the housing market this August. So last month I did speak a little bit about what's been happening in July, and I want to give you guys a quick update of what's been cooking, what's been on the market of real estate in this month of August. So again, being COVID-19 the major theme of the talk, of the conversation, of the driving factors of businesses around, uh, I want to give you guys some positive words that we are actually rebounding. The real estate market is rebounding, going upwards, and it is showing a great sign moving forward. And I have a quick presentation here that I want to share with you guys, and so bear with me, stay with me, and I'll go through some of the important slides that I want to share with you, and hopefully that will help to make your decision in, either if you want to buy a new house or if you want to sell your house. Now is also a good time, so bear with me as I share some of this good news and good finding. So the first one, Wall Street Journal did say that a strong economic recovery depends on effective and sustained containment of COVID-19. As we all know, our government and even with the CDC are trying their best to develop a vaccine, and we are seeing a good move forward as far as in the development of the vaccine. Yes, I know it is not out there yet, it is not official yet, but they are working very hard to get it to the market so that more and more people can get the cure quicker rather than later. So that is just an intro. And over here, I have a quick graph of the GDP and how the market in general has been impacted by the COVID-19 the beginning of January. As you can see here, I'm looking at this screen, the bigger one. So like most of the departments of like restaurants, hotels, arts, entertainment, transportation did get hit pretty bad because of the COVID-19. More and more people are staying home, more and more people are eating at home, more and more people are not going outside, having vacation, enjoying like time off. So the only department that thriving is actually groceries. So what I mean by that is like shopping for groceries in Fred Meyer, QFC, Safeway, or even like Amazon, right? Amazon is dominating the market pretty strong by doing a home delivery, Amazon Fresh. So those really help those people, especially people who are homebound, people who cannot go out to buy their groceries, and those departments are thriving strongly here. But as you can see, beginning of March to May, it did dip down all the way, and then starting in June to July, it's actually starting to climb back up again. So that is a good sign, everyone. So again, another slide here that I have. Many of the major company have a dip down as far as their stock market, as far as their profits, like Bank of America, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo. Back in April, they're all red, they're all in the negative zone. And moving towards to Q3, quarter three basically, which is that's June, July, and August, which we're not done with Q3 yet. I'm sorry, July, August, September. So we're not done with Q3 yet. We're already seeing a green improvement, and many of the big companies like JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America are starting to see an increase again in the sales and profit, 15%, 18%, 25%. So that is a good sign. And this is a comment by one of the JP Morgan people. And according to Realtor.com, it says here, despite the crippling and ongoing coronavirus pandemic, millions out of work, a recession, a national reckoning over systemic racism, and a highly contentious presidential election just around the corner, here is what they say. Residential real estate market is staging an astonishing rebound. Like I said earlier, we are entering, actually real estate has been one of the essential department or market where people need shelter, people need food, like grocery will thrive in this market. So people still need shelter, and that market will continuously going stronger than ever. So we are anticipating a great rebound from this market. There's also again another graph showing that beginning of May to July, we are starting to see an increase again in the number of house showing. So real estate agents, brokers are starting to be more active and do more showings. Yes, they still need to practice the recommendation from the CDC and the Department of Health as far as the COVID-19 practices, but we can see here more and more showings are being done beginning of May to July. So again, this is another survey. And as you can see here, the housing market recovery index. So again, dipped down in March to April, beginning of May, and it starts to go back up again up to July. So Quicken Loans, one of the mortgage company, did say the pandemic has not stopped the consistent home price growth we have witnessed in recent years. So that is also a good sign. Let me see here, also increase in price of the housing over time. So Move.com, that is a company that some people go to whenever they move house and to help with the moving, says that summer home buying season is off to a roaring start. As buyers flooded into the market, Realtor.com monthly traffic hit an all-time high. So this is the rate of people going to the website and looking. I know more and more people are staying home, so they have the time to look for their dream home. And it says here 86 million unique users. 86 million. Can you imagine 86 million people go to Realtor.com just in the month of June 2020 to look for houses? So that's a good thing. Another thing here, survey. So Realtor.com did like a survey comparison back in April and then in July on what they need as far as like home buyers in their home. And in April, there are 4 top reasons. The first one being people want interior space. Secondly, people want more outdoor space. People want updated kitchen. And people want better technology, with Google Home, Alexa, and everything, all those, being on the market. More and more people want smart technology back in April. And then in July, they did another survey, and it changed a little bit as far as like what they want, people want in their home. First one, still the same. They want a more interior space. Yeah, I want that too. Secondly, this is something that is interesting. They want, or they have the desire to own. So back in April, they it's okay not to own, just rent it. But in July, more and more people are showing their desire to own the house, basically to buy the house and own them, to keep them and take care of it. And I think part of it is because of the pandemic, and see how the impact it can happen when you do not have the ability or you do not have the capacity to work from home. So more and more people are wanting to buy and own a home. Thirdly, they want to move from the city to the suburb. This is again an interesting finding. I used to know that more and more people, because of they want to be closer to where they work, they want to move to the city. But actually in July, more and more people are shown they want to move from the city to the suburb. And again, partly maybe because of the pandemic, but it's interesting. And then last but not least, the same, they want more outdoor space. So as far as survey on plan to buy a home due to remote workability, 63% of people being surveyed say yes, and 37% say no. Of course, there are some field that you still need to be come to the field and work instead of being able to work from home. Okay, there's another prediction here by John Byrne Consulting, and all in all, this is a great time to invest. This is a great time for you guys to look for a new house. Again, I cannot emphasize the low interest rate for a new home buyer. You know, back in 1940s, 1930s, you know, the rate is so high. Like some people have to even pay their house with a rate as high as 20 or 30% interest rate. But now look at what's going on around us. The rate continued to dip, and it's actually hit historically low in the low twos. So if you are looking for your first home, if you are wanting to buy a home, now is a great time. Take advantage of that low interest rate. It's going to help you a lot as far as your monthly payment and your buying power. So again, this is good news, guys. This is August. This is not the end of 2020 yet. I know many people, you know, are not so positive about 2020, and if possible not wanting to live 2020 because of everything that's going on. But hey, whenever there is you know, crisis like this happen, means, you know, we just have to open up our mind and be creative and look for opportunities. And now is a great time to invest. And yeah, reach out to me. I am your real estate broker with EXP, and I will be happy to help you and earn your business. I mean, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you, and I'm here to meet your real estate needs. So again, feel free to leave a comment, DM me with your personal information. I will be happy to follow up with you. I serve mainly in the Seattle and greater Seattle area, and I'll be happy to refer you if you have needs anywhere, you know, up in Bellingham or north of Snohomish, or even like down to Olympia. I have a network of real estate brokers in the company that are great, that can help you guys with your needs. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in, and I hope this information helped. And stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.